ba nakakita tayo ng parang talaba, tapos merong pearl sa loob.
Yeah, pero nakaano ka ba? Yung kilay mo, is that naka-tattoo? Or naglagay ka lang? Nakaano ka ba? Yung kilay mo, is that naka-tattoo? Or naglagay ka lang? Nakaano ka ba? Yung kilay mo, is that naka-tattoo? Or naglagay ka lang? Nakaano ka ba? Yung kilay mo, is that naka-tattoo? Or naglagay ka lang? Hindi rin pa ano? Oo? Or naglagay ka lang? Hindi rin pa ano? Oo? Or naglagay ka lang? Hindi rin pa ano? Oo? Or naglagay ka lang? Hindi rin pa ano? Oo? Okay, why?
Kasi ko lagi pipili kaya.
Oh? Nagkilay slide. Oh my God! Ganito pala.
Pag-aalis.
Nagkilay slide. Oh my God! Ganito pala.
Pag-aalis sa events. Or pag nasa bahay. Wala kasi pag-aalis sa events. Or pag nasa bahay. Wala kasi
Okay, say ikaw. May kwento mo yourself.
sa bahay. Wala kasi
Okay, say ikaw.
sa events. Or pag nasa bahay. Wala kasi
Okay.
lang
Nagkilay slide. Oh my God! Ganito pala.
pag-aalis sa events. Or pag nasa bahay. Wala kasi
Okay, say ikaw. May kwento mo yourself.
I say Kyoko, I also do videos on
Say ikaw.
pag-aalis sa
Slide.
Hindi kasi ko lagi pipili kaya.
Oh?
Yeah.
Nagkilay slide. Oh my God! Ganito pala.
Pag-aalis sa events. Or pag nasa bahay. Wala kasi pag-aalis sa events. Or pag nasa bahay. Wala kasi
Okay, say.
pag-aalis sa events. Or pag nasa bahay. Wala kasi
Okay, say ikaw. May kwento mo yourself.
I say Kyoko, I also do videos on YouTube.
But you are how old now?
27.
Bakit mo? That's because, eto mo,
8 years.
but you are how old? May kwento mo yourself.
I say Kyoko, I also do videos on YouTube.
But you are how old now?
I say Kyoko, I also do videos on YouTube.
But you are how old? May kwento mo yourself.
I say Kyoko, I also do videos on YouTube.
But you are how old now?
27.
Okay, tapos how mo?
8 years. 2010.
Okay, eto, you don't wear contacts. Hindi lumala.
Nag-LASIK na po. Yeah.
Okay, you don't wear contacts. Hindi lumala.
Nag-LASIK na po. Yeah.
Eto, you don't wear contacts. Hindi lumala.
Nag-LASIK na po. Yeah.
Eto, you don't wear contacts. Hindi lumala.
Nag-LASIK na po. Yeah.
Eto, you don't wear contacts. Hindi lumala.
Nag-LASIK na po. Yeah.
Okay, ewan ko about that. Hindi ako na-LASIK at na-announce because sobrang taas ng astigmatism ko. Kind about that. Hindi ako na-LASIK at na-announce because sobrang taas ng astigmatism ko. Kind about that. Hindi ako na-LASIK at na-announce because sobrang taas ng astigmatism ko. Kind about that. Hindi ako na-LASIK at na-announce because sobrang taas ng astigmatism ko. About that. Hindi ako na-LASIK at na-announce because sobrang taas ng astigmatism. Ewan ko about that. Hindi ako na-LASIK at na-announce because sobrang taas ng astigmatism ko. So, wala rin, I mean, makakorrect daw, but I still need. So, ganun lang. And wala rin, I mean, makakorrect daw, but I still need. So, ganun lang. And wala rin, I mean, makakorrect daw, but I still need. So, ganun lang. Wala rin, I mean, makakorrect daw, but I still need. So, ganun lang. And natakot ba ako? Eh, diba, ang LASIK, after talaga, sa nagtrabaho.
Yeah.
Meron 1 week no makeup. And natakot ba ako? Eh, di ba, ang LASIK, after having it done 1 week no makeup,
Yeah.
parang,
A month ka rin.
Totoo.
Meron pang protective
Almost a month
na wala siyang eye makeup.
Yeah. Hindi
No,
mo pwede. Hindi, sa oras na wala sa nagtrabaho. Hindi mo pwede. Hindi, sa oras na wala sa nagtrabaho. Hindi mo pwede. nasa nakikita lahat. Makeup pa ako. Talaga? Sa nagtrabaho. Nasa nakikita lahat. Makeup pa ako. Talaga? Nagtrabaho. Nasa nakikita lahat. Makeup pa ako. Talaga? Sa nagtrabaho. Nasa nakikita lahat. Makeup pa ako. Talaga?
Yeah.
No, but
Na ako anak dumandal.
love glitter.
Oh, yeah.
But I
Yeah.
No, the only reason I'm asking is because I love glitter.
Oh, yeah.
But I cannot.
Yeah.
No, the only reason I'm asking is because I love glitter.
Oh, yeah.
But I cannot. Because the reason I'm asking is because I love glitter.
Oh, yeah.
But I cannot. Because the only reason I'm asking is because I love glitter.
Oh, yeah.
But I cannot. No, the only reason I'm asking is because I love glitter.
Oh, yeah.
But I cannot. Because kumakapit siya sa contacts. Tapos ay tinanong kita,
Oh, yeah.
but I cannot. Because kumakapit siya sa contacts. Tapos ay tinanong kita,
Oh, yeah.
but I cannot. Because kumakapit siya sa contacts. Tapos ay tinanong kita, I cannot. Because kumakapit siya sa contacts. Tapos ay tinanong kita, I cannot. Because kumakapit siya sa contacts. Tapos ay tinanong kita, totoo. And then parang you feel that there's something inside the contact na,
True.
masakit na siya.
Yeah, yeah.
So, ano to? Inside the contact na,
True.
masakit na siya.
Yeah, yeah.
So, ano to? That there's something inside the contact na,
True.
masakit na siya.
Yeah, yeah.
So, ano to? Inside the contact na,
True.
masakit na siya.
Yeah, yeah.
So, ano to? Yung sa'yo,
Mahalisip mo.
I mean, nilagay mo lang sa ilalim. It's
Yeah.
nice. I have to have that. In a relationship or no?
Oh my God, controversial to be.
Yeah. Oh my God!
Private lang
Bakit
yun.
naging controversial?
Wala, it's private lang.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, at least meron. I didn't ask for details. Okay, so I was so polite. Okay. And you are?
I'm Raisa Cantabi, also beauty content creator for 2 years now.
Pinili kita. Kasi binigyan nila ako ng names, tapos tinignan ko yung feed. Because of my feed. I had looked at everybody, and I said na, we're talking about makeup, right? So you want
Yes.
people who will be pleasing on them. So that's why, yan ang inano ko. And I said na, important na iba-iba yung shades natin. Para alam nila na iba-iba yung shades natin. Yan ang inano ko. We're talking about makeup, right? So you want
Yes.
people who will be pleasing on them. So that's why, yan ang inano ko. And I said na, important na iba-iba yung shades natin. Para alam nila na yung powder na yung shades natin. Para alam nila na yung powder shades natin. Para alam nila na yung powder na iba yung shades natin. Para alam nila na yung powder na yung shades natin. Para alam nila na yung powder foundation, pwedeng gamitin ng lahat. Okay, but, okay, tingnan na, can you open yours? Para lahat tayo, ano,
Oh, yellow undertone.
can you open your foundation, pwedeng gamitin ng lahat. Okay, but, okay, tingnan na, can you open yours? Para lahat tayo, ano,
Oh, yellow undertone.
and look at my brush. Sobrang hindi ko class siya. Hindi siya cheap. Oh, and then hindi cheap quality.
Yeah.
Do you know what shade? I'm assuming going like, oh,
Undertone.
and look at my brush. Sobrang hindi ko class siya. Hindi siya cheap. Oh, and then hindi cheap quality.
Yeah.
Do you know what shade? I'm assuming going light kasi pipitin mo. So lasting for you. Ikaw, ano shade mo?
Ako yung dark and tan. Medyo tan.
Huh?
Yeah. I'm very, or this, pwede rin this one.
Kung mag-try kayong dalawa, wait, you have to try separate.
Ah, sige, I will try the second. Okay,
Okay.
stand back ako.
Oh, sige, go.
Fresh from the
Tapos ako na lang yung light,